Welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Today, I will discover some benefits of love. Love offers a myriad of benefits that significantly enhance both mental and physical well-being. Here are some of the key advantages of experiencing love. Emotional support. Love provides a strong emotional support system. Whether it's romantic love, familial love, or deep friendships, knowing that someone cares for you can offer immense comfort and stability. Reduce stress and anxiety. Being in a loving relationship can lower levels of stress and anxiety. The presence of a supportive partner or loved ones can help buffer against life's pressures and challenges. Improved mental health. Love and affection can lead to higher levels of serotonin and dopamine, the brain chemicals associated with happiness and well-being, which can help alleviate symptoms of depression and boost overall mood. Greater happiness and life satisfaction. Love contributes to a greater sense of happiness and life satisfaction. Feeling loved and loving others can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Personal growth. Love often encourages personal growth. Being in a relationship can push individuals to become better versions of themselves, learn new skills, and gain new perspectives. Let's master English every day.